Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Children, this is part 2 of chapter number 6, Accounting for Share Capital. In previous part, we have covered the topics issue at par. Now, today we will do issue at premium. So, let us do the question. Question number 2. Fine Craft Limited issued 50,000 equity share of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 2 per share payable as follow. Rupees 3 on application, 6 on allotment and 3 on first and final call. All the shares were applied for and duly allotted past necessary journal entries. So children, look at the question again. Here 50,000 share issued and rupees 10 along with 2 rupees premium. Now the 10 rupees payable in this way, 3 on application, 6 on allotment and 3 on first and final call. Now children, you can add this amount, 3 on application, 6 on allotment, 3 on first and final call. Now when you will the total, you will get 12 rupees. It means this is 10 plus 2. It means this amount along with premium is given. Now you have to separate the premium. When premium is not given in particular call, then you have to apply the premium. Then you have to apply the premium on allotment always. Okay, when it is not given in which call you have to apply the premium, then you have to apply on allotment. So it means in application, here I am writing, it means in application 3 rupees, allotment total rupees 6. So you have to take 3, you have to take 4. You have to take 4 plus 2. This is the allotment and call. It is given. It is 3 rupees. Now you can add this 3 plus 4 plus 3. It is equal to 10 and plus 2 of allotment. It is plus 2. Okay. So you have to take the allotment money in the form of 4 plus 2. Okay. Now journal entry you have to pass. So children, I have already given the premium journal entry how you have to pass. So let us see this question, the solution. The first entry is bank account debit to share application account, and here how many share issued? 50,000. So 50,000 multiply by the application money. So application money is 3. It means 1,50,000. Similarly, the second entry, share application account debit to share capital account, amount is 1,50,000. Now next is share allotment account debit. In the allotment, the first entry you have to make due. Share allotment account debit to share capital account, and with the due entry you have to write down the security premium reserve account. Here you have to credit the security premium to security premium reserve account. Now amount, how you have to write down the amount? The total money of allotment is 6 and total issued share 50,000. So when you will multiply, it is answer of this 3 lakh. So this you have to fill in share allotment account. And share capital, the actual money of share capital is 4 and security premium 2. So 50,000 into 2, 1 lakh, 50,000 into 4, 2 lakh. In this way you have to make the premium entry. Now after that, the next entry of received bank account debit to share capital account, and the total money you will receive along with premium 3 lakh. So this 3 lakh you have to write down. Okay. Now the next is first and final call. share first and final call account debit to share capital account, and here the money first call and final call money is 3 and the shares 50,000. So 50,000 into 3, it is 1,50,000, and write the first and final call received entry, that is bank account debit to share first and final call account. In this way you have to complete this topic. Okay, so issue at premium. How you have to do issue at premium? If premium amount is not given in particular call, then you have to apply always on allotment. Okay, and the journal entry, you have to transfer the security premium reserve credit side in due entry. Okay, now next is over subscription. Yes, oversubscription means when the number of shares applied is more than the number of shares issued or offered for subscription. For example, see, if number of issued share 50,000, this is the issued share, but public applied for 60,000 share. So it means the company have issued 50,000 shares, but public have subscribed 60,000, public have applied for 60,000 share. It means this is the case of oversubscription. Here 10,000 share are extra applied by the public. 10,000 shares are extra. So this process is known as oversubscription. Now what we have to do for this 10,000? See, if company have limited shares, if company have only 50,000 share, they have to issue only 50,000 share. So how they will receive the amount from of 60,000 share? How? So for that, company has to make 3 alternative for these 10,000 share. Now see, what are these 3 alternatives? The 3 alternatives are, the first one is rejection of excess application. It means the 10,000 share we have to reject. We have to pay the money back to the public. 10,000 shares we have to reject. This is the first option. The second option, partial or pro rata allotment. It means we have to adjust the share in the another call. That 10,000 shares we have to adjust in pro rata basis. It means we have to adjust in another call. Means in allotment or in first call. Okay. And the third alternative or third option is any combination of above 2 alternatives. It means suppose we have 10,000 extra share, the company have 10,000 extra share. So out of the 10,000, 6,000, suppose out of the 10,000, 6,000 rejected, okay, and the remaining 4,000 company has adjusted against pro rata basis, against any other call. So above 2 combination we can do in the as a third option. Okay, so these are the third option. Children, this topic you have to prepare very carefully. It is very important. Oversubscription case is very important, and these 3 alternative you have to learn or study. Okay, now let us do the question number 3. How we have to solve the question of oversubscription. Citizen Watches Limited invited application for 50,000 share of rupees 10,000 each, payable rupees 3 on application, 4 on allotment, and balance on first and final call. Application were received for 60,000 share. Application were accepted 50,000 share, and remaining application were rejected. Pass the necessary journal entries in the books of Citizen Watches Limited. Now here, see, first of all you have to find out how many share issued by the company. So here invited application 50,000. It means how many share issued? 50,000 share issued. Okay, and for per share rupees 10, which is payable as 3 on application, 4 on allotment, and balance on first and final call. So the balance is 3 rupees. Okay, this is the case of issued at par, no premium is there. Okay, now next is application were received for 60,000 share. As I have given the example earlier, the application were received for 60,000 share means public has taken or public has applied for 60,000 share. The companies has issued 50,000 share, but public has taken 60,000 share. Public wants to take 60,000 share. Okay, so how we have to do the question? So here the alternative or option adopted by the company, that is remaining application were rejected. So here it is given in the question, it is given which method the company will take. Okay, so for this, for the case of oversubscription, first we have to make the applied and allotted table. So first you have to make applied and allotted table. For this, first of all write down the total. I am writing here, see, in this way. See, this is the applied, this is the allotted. Applied means public wants to take, allotted means company has to issue or company has issued. So here company has issued 50,000 share. This you have to write down first. Okay, leave 2-3 lines and after that write down the total first. And public wants to take 60,000. Public has applied for 60,000 share. So these two things you have to write down in the first this one, then second this one. Okay, now what you have to do? After that you have to write down the above entry. So in the question, what is given? Here is given application. See, application were accepted for 50,000 share and remaining application were rejected. Application were accepted for 50,000 share. It means 50,000 applied and 50,000 allotted. Means this 50,000 applied, application accepted, and 50,000 allotted to the public. Okay, and now what is the remaining in applied share? 10,000. This 10,000 has been rejected by the company. So for rejection you have to put dash, and this you have to transfer in the bank. This you have to transfer in the bank. Now we can make the journal entry, then we will see how we have to do the adjustment. I hope you all have understood this table. Okay, now journal entry. The first journal entry, always remember the first journal entry received in application, the received, after that due. So received entry is bank account debit to share application account, and in the application were received for rupees 60,000. So you have to multiply the 3 rupees with the 60,000. Okay, so answer is 1,80,000. Now the next is share application account debit to share capital. Up to here your entry is clear to all, but after that you have to write down one more, that is to bank. Why it is written? Because here Axis application received is rejected, so that 10,000 is rejected. So here in bank you have to multiply 10,000 into 3. 10,000 share you have to return back, and the application money was received for rupees 3. So it is 30,000. Now you can find out the balance. Actual share capital is 1,50,000. Okay, in this way you have to do the rejection case. Now the second entry for allotment. Now for allotment and first and final call, the entries are same. The issued shares 50,000. Now no need to multiply with the applied share. Always remember, in oversubscription case, first call, that is application. Always remember that application always multiply with the applied share, and other calls you have to multiply with the issued share. Now in this issued share is 50,000. Now you have to multiply by 50,000. So call allotment money amount is 4. Now share allotment to share capital 50,000 into 4, 2 lakh. And received also same, bank to share allotment account 2 lakh. Now the last is share first and final call account debit to share capital the amount of rupees 3. So issued share 50,000, 50,000 into 3, 1,50,000, and the received entry bank to share and first and final call account, this also you have to multiply with the 3. So 50,000 into 3, 1,50,000. Others entries are same as you have done in issued at par and issued and premium. Only the difference is you have to adjust the entry in the application money, because application money you are receiving extra. Application money you are receiving extra. So here in the question it is given that which the money you have received extra or the money the company have received extra, that they have to reject, they have to give back. Okay, so in this way you have to give the journal entry for rejection. This you have to see clearly, okay, carefully. Now children, do the question of do your book question. You can do the question from NCERT or as well as from other side book. You can do the question based on issued at par, issued at premium and over subscription, the rejection case only. Other cases, other two alternative I will discuss in next class with calls in area topic. Okay, thank you. Sai Ram.